There's a brush pile I gotta move so we can get the outhouse over there. Oh, what's the beginning of the outhouse anyway. Get the trailer over here, four-wheeler and stuff I gotta unload. I'll load all that. I'll get that straightened out. My brother said he's on his way, so we shall see. Hey everybody, another day here at the campsite. I brought what I have assembled of the outhouse, or two assembled the outhouse. I got the floor and 4 walls. I plan on probably building a roof here sometime. Just want to get that out here. It's taking a lot of space in the garage and stuff. I'm going to get rid of this brush pile first, bring that over there with the 4-wheeler, and then try and get that stuff off the trailer and dragged over there with the 4-wheeler hopefully. My brother's on his way over too to help out, he said. We'll see where we go, and I'll give you some footage when we get it.
So, hey guys, today we are on the outhouse. Me, my dad, and Uncle Shane are
I didn't bring anything for anything specific, just one for extra.
Building it right now, or getting the supplies to build it right now. We don't have the roof yet. We're getting that sometime. So my dad and Uncle Shane are getting the boards and stuff and putting it together. So see you in a minute. So Uncle Shane and my father, Keith Lilly, had just leveled the place out. We have the cinder blocks under the foundation. My dog. Mitchell, come here. Anyway, so I think the next thing we might be doing is they're putting up the walls right now. They're only doing one wall right now. Then they're going to do another wall. Then they're going to do the door frame, and then they're going to do another wall. We don't have the roof as of today. We're going to come here some other time and put the roof on.
We're rocking, man. We're rocking.
Good old cameraman. He's helping out there.
Toast this birch tree. This one. Yeah. I've ended up toasting them. Yeah, because these will snowy bend right over and lay on this friggin' outline. Yeah, we have to level these edges up that. You want to do one on top? Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just we just finished that wall. We're going to put the next wall on. So I don't know exactly what they're doing. I think they're trying to level it out. Alright guys, so we've done all the walls and the door frame. Right now they're drilling the door frame in here. I know it's been a while for me recording, but I just had to go get some bug spray.
Look at that.
Hey guys, so we've done it. We've done the outhouse. Let me turn the camera here so y'all can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, we've done the outhouse. Mostly just Uncle Shane and Dad, but they screwed the door frame, all the walls. We're gonna, in another video, we're gonna put the roof on and the door and stuff. And
On that. I mean,
so
there is some tar paper in that shack already.
that's it, I guess, for the video. Uncle Shane, you want anything to say to the viewers?
There it is. That's the beginning.
Yep.
We shall see. We got more video to come.
Yep. Leave a like, subscribe.
Cool.
Peace out, everybody.
Well, that we got so far. Hope you didn't mind a little bit of narration from my nephew Jamison. Every time he comes out, helps out. Him and his dad. He wants to be a YouTuber someday, so I let him do some narrating, get used to the stuff. But so we got so far. It's 6 foot wide, 5 foot deep. It's got a 3 foot deck on it. I got enough wood to do the top plate, but of course I forgot to bring a step ladder, so it's a 6 foot wall. It's kind of hard for me to get up there, so we'll just tackle that next time. Just going to clean up the little bit of a mess there and take a ride and check out my mineral lick out back, trail cameras, and go for a ride. Beautiful day. Black flies are pretty bad. So we'll clean up. There it is so far. Have to drop this birch probably. It's leaning this way. Maybe a couple more of those. Not sure if all of them. 2 will lean into the left, might be okay, but the rest gotta come down. Get that roof put on. Hopefully in another couple of days. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Really get a neighbor to come over, maybe help out. But I got stuff piled there for now. I'll give you a little inside footage here. Here's the inside. Nothing huge, but the wall, the doorway. Haven't put the top plate on yet. I figure I'll just do that when I get the step ladder. Be a lot easier. But this 4-wheeler's looking out. Camp will be right where all that new soil is. The deck. A little bit more room than a regular 4x4. It's 5 feet wide. No, it's actually 5 feet deep, 6 feet wide. Well, that'll be it for now for the outhouse until I get somebody to come and help with the roof. Thank God for my brother and his son to help me get these walls up. It took about an hour. It would have taken me, I don't know if I would have been able to do it myself, but it's done. Out by my mineral lick was, well, is. Looks like something's definitely been hitting that. When I checked my trail cameras where the baits are, and definitely been eating most of that stuff up too. So it's a good sign. May. 26 or so, something like that now. So I'm pretty excited. I'm out here just gonna sit and listen to some quiet for a little bit and see if anything shows up. And take a ride on the ATV. We got the outhouse done as much as we can for now until I get more lumber. So that's a good thing. I just got to relax a little bit. It's Memorial Day weekend and listen to some animals for a little bit. Pretty buggy out here. Oh well. Take a listen. Well guys, one of the main reasons I bought this piece of property is this connection to all the ATV trails around here. So I'm going to take a ride out to the back. This is actually go down the main road down here and connect onto a main trail and go down about a mile, and then you can take a right and it loops around to the behind the property here. Somebody else owns that side, but there's a huge swamp right in the back corner of this property that I can't get to this way because of the trees are just too tall. I have to cut a lot more trees down, so I want to go around and check out that swamp, and I'll give you some footage of that when I get out there. Swamp. There's quite a ways out there. That's my property, tiny corner, and butts into this swamp in the back, way in the back. Big swamp. Awesome. Stream right here I'm crossing. Bunch of fish in that water right there. Not sure what they are. Could be trout, could be chubs, who knows? Huge swamp over here. Probably a bunch of fish in there too. I thought that there was some fish straight down in there. Don't see any at the moment. Yeah, there's another huge swamp. Nice day for riding. There's the fish. Well, let's look at the fish. A bunch of them in there. It's another awesome bridge here. Nice water. Haven't seen any fish, but I haven't looked too far. Get that all dammed up right there, so a little bit deeper, so it could be some fish in there. Show the other side. Yeah, I see a fish down in there now. See a few small ones. Nice little stream. Fishing there. So I'm gonna head that way. Beautiful little spot though. Where'd I go? Found a spot with a lot of moose sign. Nice dark water pond right here. Hear the frogs. Keep following this road. Supposedly it heads towards my brother's camp in McCowick. Melunkus, Kingman out that way, but I'm probably going to turn around because I don't have any extra gas and I'm not sure how far it is, and I'm already down probably, I've got 3/4 of a tank now. Don't want to run out of gas anyway. But yeah, there's some moose tracks right in there. I was hoping I'd see a moose or a deer, but plenty of tracks. Right there, some. Beautiful little spot right there. Big frog. Well, I guess I'm gonna head back that way. Well, trail's all loaded again. Just ATV this time, so it's a lot less weight this time. Reload here now. Well, I got quite a bit done. Well, not just me, my brother and nephew Jamison come over and helped quite a bit this morning. Got that done. They went on a decent four-wheeler ride. Check what's going on out here. Being warm and buggy out. A lot of black flies. It was mosquitoes last time, now it's black flies today. So, guess I'm done for the day. Gonna head home. Get home before dark. Been busy. I gotta see if I can get somebody to come up with me and work on that roof pretty soon. Hopefully we get it done before the rain comes. Thanks all again for watching.